Hello, fellow investors. Welcome back to the Dividend Uncle. Today, we're delving into a stock that's been on many dividend investors' radars, NetLink NBN Trust. A popular choice for its stability and dividends, NetLink has recently faced uncertainties tied to a regulatory review. Let's dive into the details. Summary of 3Q 2023 financial results. In the latest financial report, NetLink NBN Trust showcased its resilience, reporting a 2.8% YoY increase in net profit to $23.6 million. The Trust's ability to weather economic fluctuations and maintain profit growth is a testament to its robust business model. The revenue boost was primarily attributed to higher installation revenue and lower operating expenses. Analysts from OCBC and Maybank maintained buy ratings, emphasizing the positive outlook driven by strong demand for fiber broadband services and potential opportunities from 5G and Smart Nation initiatives. Impact of regulatory review on revenue. The looming regulatory review by the Infocomm Media Development Authority, IMDA, is set to conclude by the end of 2023. This review holds the key to NetLink's revenue, profitability, and distribution per unit, DPU, for the next review period from 2023 to 2027. It's like a critical juncture for NetLink, where the regulatory decisions can significantly influence its future financial landscape. Let's put on the analysts' hats for a moment. The analysts generally expressed optimism about NetLink's prospects post-regulatory review. They foresee a potential uptick in the return on regulated asset base, RAB, rate and interconnection offer, ICO, pricing. Why? Well, they cite rising interest rates and inflationary pressures, factors that might work in NetLink's favor by impacting its cost base. Additionally, they highlight NetLink's resilient business model, underpinned by long-term contracts, adding another layer of stability to its earnings. Not all views are uniformly bullish. The smart investor raises a cautionary flag, highlighting the risk of the RAB rate dropping below 7%. This could potentially affect NetLink's ability to recover expenses under the RAB and, in turn, impact DPU. There's also a note on potential competition from alternative technologies. This diversity in opinions adds a layer of complexity to our analysis, prompting us to consider multiple scenarios in our investment decision-making process. The Dividend Uncle's investment strategy and takeaway for investors. Now, let's talk about what I'm planning to do with NetLink NBN Trust in my own portfolio. As of now, I already have a significant holding in NetLink NBN Trust, accumulated over time at what I believe are favorable prices. The current regulatory review, though a critical factor, doesn't overly worry me. The Trust's current dividend yield, standing tall at over 6%, remains an attractive proposition. However, due to my existing sizable holdings, I don't foresee investing more at this moment. Diversification is key in managing risk, and while NetLink NBN Trust has been a reliable contributor to my dividend income, I'm always mindful of maintaining a well-balanced portfolio. For those considering an entry into NetLink NBN Trust, the current juncture might indeed present an opportune moment. The ongoing regulatory review, as discussed earlier, introduces a level of uncertainty. Yet, given the optimistic outlook by several analysts, the Trust's resilience, and its strategic position in the market, it could be an advantageous time for new investments. Remember, every investor's situation is unique, and decisions should align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. It's crucial to closely monitor the regulatory review and weigh the potential outcomes. In closing, folks, if you found today's dive into NetLink NBN Trust insightful, don't miss out on future analyses and updates. Make sure to subscribe to the Dividend Uncle YouTube channel, where we unravel the world of dividends and investments. Your journey to financial wisdom is just a click away. And for those who love a visual treat, follow us on Instagram. It's where we share bite-sized insights, behind the scenes, and a dash of financial wisdom. Your support means the world, and we can't wait to have you as part of our growing community. Until next time, happy investing.